Today's mailbag consists of some things I purchased at my local electronics store, and then a few items that came from DigiKey that I thought I would open today. We'll start here with an Adafruit product. Take a look at that. And you can see it's a NeoPixel Jewel, I guess is what this one is called. A NeoPixel Jewel. 7 NeoPixels on here. Looks great. Just thinking this might be an eye for a, I don't know, some kind of a robot or something, or just a fun display. Take a look here. Yeah, it looks great. So that should be fun. The reason why I went over to the Micro Center, which is my local electronics store, was they had some of these in, and they're very rare, and I managed to get one. And so I got a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W. It's a very rare item. So I'll go ahead and open up that. Very excited to have gotten one. There we go. And take a look at the board here. Yeah, so pretty simple. Just a few connectors here. And yeah, here's our slot for the SD. Move it around. And it has the double row like the Raspberry Pis do, so we'll have to solder that in ourselves. So maybe I'll do a video of, everybody can watch me struggle with soldering, as I usually do, but I get it done, and usually it works and I don't destroy things. So wow, really excited to get this, thinking I'm going to use it for my 3D printer, my Ender 3 V2, and I may use it to run Octopi. So that was kind of the thought, if I could ever get my hands on one. So very, very lucky to have gotten one of these. Last, I got some more NeoPixels. These are from Adafruits, just a pack of 5 of them. I thought it'd be fun to have some around in case I want to add them to a project. So got a little supply of them now. And then I picked up, I have a couple of these already, but I picked up a couple of the Shao boards. So this is the Shao, the regular Shao, I guess, the Arduino type Shao. They're so small, very cute. This one, we'll go ahead and open it here. Let's get the, slice it open. They got some stickers that you can put to mark the pens. Really hard to read though. I'm not sure that's really that helpful, but this one has the headers already on. Take it off the, there we go, so we can take a better look at it. And yeah, so I guess if you need a really small board, you got one right here. Looks great. So that'll be fun. So that's one of them. And then the other Shao board I got was the one based on the RP2040 chip. Now this one, the headers didn't come soldered on. You can see they're in the package. So let's take a look at that. Okay, there's our headers. And here's the other one. Looks pretty similar, doesn't it? Well, this one has some buttons on it and a little NeoPixel right there. If you can kind of see it. And the USB-C. And here's the back of it. There it says that's the 2040 Shao. So these aren't super expensive, so I thought I'd pick up a couple. And I'd had a couple, so I thought just to have a few around for if I come up with some great inspiration for projects. And in a previous video I had shown that I got a expansion board, or I like to call it a prototyping type board for these Shao sized boards that allow me to play around with some servos, various inputs, little buzzer, little display. So I thought it'd be good to have some other boards so that I could really start experimenting and trying different things out. So I had that, and I figured I should get a few more of those boards. So that was the plan. So yeah, so that's a small but very exciting mailbag for me, especially getting my hands on this board right here. Really, really excited to have it. So thank you for joining me.